These are some things you will only see in Japan. In Japan, you can find a popular drink that looks like a regular bottle of water, but there is a twist to it. Instead of liquid, the bottle is filled with a jelly-like texture that's both flavored and refreshing, perfect for cooling down on hot summer days. If you shake the bottle a few times before opening, the jelly softens into a smoother, more liquid form, making it easier to drink. These fridges are revolutionary for left-handed people because they can be opened from both sides, making them way more convenient, but you can't open both sides at once. Next, Japan has magical band-aids. Along with the regular ones, they also sell these that might look completely normal, but when you open them, you'll find they come with special medicine to help the wound heal faster. Lastly, you don't have to iron your clothes anymore thanks to this Japanese invention that does it for you. Just clip your shirt on, and in just 10 minutes, all the wrinkles disappear. Train seats you can actually turn. With a simple foot pedal, you can instantly swivel your seat, face forward no matter the direction, or turn around to sit with friends. It locks securely into place with a satisfying click. Smart, thoughtful, and just makes sense. Next, magazines in Japan aren't just for reading. Whenever you buy one, make sure to check between the pages. Most include a special gift, and if you're lucky, that gift could be worth hundreds of dollars. And lastly, in Japan, there's a butter grinder that makes spreading easy. All you need is to cut the butter to fit, load it in, twist to grind, and it's ready to use. No mess, no effort, and you can store it straight in the fridge. In Japan, there's a strict law against misleading packaging. The size, shape, and appearance of a product must exactly match what's shown on the label. If it doesn't, the company can face a hefty fine. This ensures customers always get exactly what they expect. No surprises, no disappointments. Next, if you're a Nutella fan, this cafe is a dream come true. It features an unlimited Nutella dispenser, perfect for slathering on croissants, pancakes, or even ice cream. And finally, mochi, a chewy Japanese rice cake made by pounding glutinous rice into a stretchy dough, then shaping it into bite-sized pieces filled with sweet red bean paste or ice cream. At this Japanese cafe, iced coffee isn't served in a regular cup. It's poured into a hollowed-out block of ice. Not only does it look striking, but it stays cold without getting watered down. And as the ice melts, the final sips turn into a refreshing coffee slush. Next, Japanese stores sell these magic stain removers that work in seconds. Got ketchup or soup on your clothes? Just grab the remover, use the built-in brush, and the stain's gone. That's it. And lastly, these viral Japanese drinks may look totally normal, but when you crack open the lid, a real lemon slice floats to the top, adding flavor and a tasty bonus treat for later. Some restaurants in Japan don't serve dishes one by one. Instead, they use a special tabletop that slides all the food out at once, smoothly and evenly, to prevent tipping and serve everyone faster. Next, since matcha is huge in Japan, 7-Eleven stores sell these mini, on-the-go, fresh matcha drinks. When you're in a rush, just twist the cap, shake it up, and it's ready to drink. And lastly, these utensils may look totally normal, but they've got little wedges at the end of the handle that let you snap them into chopsticks, perfect for eating snacks without getting your fingers dirty. Since soap isn't always available in public restrooms, convenience stores in Japan sell these soap strips. They're neatly packed and give you just the right amount for washing your hands. But what's better? Japanese barbecue spots sometimes separate everyone into their own cubicle. It's perfect for introverts or anyone who just wants to eat in peace after a long day at work. And lastly, these mini fridges inside malls. If you've got food that needs to stay cold but don't want to go home yet, just use the keypad to rent one. You'll get a key and you can keep shopping. When you're trying on new clothes, they'll give you this little bag, and you'll never guess what it's for. It's to put over your head so your makeup doesn't get on the clothes. Smart, right? Next, there's this sushi place that doesn't even need waiters. Everything you need is already at your table. Utensils, unlimited tea from a faucet, and the sushi comes on a conveyor belt. When you're done, just slide your plates into a slot, and that's how they calculate your bill. And lastly, every train station in Japan is built for convenience. You'll find an unlimited selection of on-the-go meals called ekeben, specially made for long train rides. Before your flight at Japanese airports, you will find little stations with cotton-like bag covers. So when you slide your bag onto the seat, it doesn't touch the dirty floor. Smart and hygienic. Next, if your phone's running low and you don't have a charger, Japan has charging booths where you can rent a portable charger. Use it, then return it whenever. Super convenient. And lastly, when you buy a gift from a store, the staff will beautifully wrap it for you at no extra charge. In Japanese culture, giving an unwrapped gift is considered impolite. Isn't that amazing? When checking into a Japanese hotel, before heading to your room, you stop by a desk filled with free amenities. Take as much as you need: soap, toothbrushes, razors, and even a huge selection of tea and coffee. And yes, you can take it all with you when you leave. Next, on rainy days, some stores have these umbrella wrapping machines at the entrance. Just slide your umbrella in and it gets wrapped instantly so you don't drip water all over the floor. And lastly, if your train is delayed and you're going to be late for work, you can grab one of these slips of paper. It's an official certificate that says the train was late, so your boss knows it wasn't your fault. Instead of struggling to find the right bin to throw your trash in, there are trash bins for all sorts of trash. An AI system that uses sensors automatically detects and separates it into the right categories. Next, if you ever find yourself with extra coins in Japan and want to get rid of them, you can visit any 7-Eleven store and use this machine to exchange them for bigger bills or fewer coins. Just slide in your coins and you'll get your money back in larger bills. And lastly, summer days in Japan can get really hot. Luckily, you can cool off with these neck ice rings. Simply put them in the freezer and after some time they are ready to use. The ring stays cold for up to 2 hours. To make sure you can enjoy hot food even while traveling on a train, you'll find self-heating bento boxes. Whenever you're ready to eat, just pull the strip attached to the box and it starts heating up on its own. In a few minutes, your meal is warm, fresh, and tastes even better. Next, this clever tool saves you so much time and effort in a bedroom. All you have to do is place it under your mattress, pull the bedsheet over it, lock it in place, and now, no matter how hard you try, your sheets won't come off. And lastly, Japan has taken sauce packaging to way another level. Instead of the usual tear-open packets, sauces come in small, convenient, and reusable containers. In Japan, during rainy days, if you're going somewhere together, instead of carrying 2 umbrellas or squeezing under one, you can use this special umbrella designed to keep 2 people equally dry. Next, there are these heat pads that help you survive Japan's freezing winters. They come in lots of different designs and all you do is stick them on and they start heating up instantly. And lastly, if you're tired of getting endless junk mail and ads in your mailbox, don't worry. You can just put up this anti-advertising sticker and no more unwanted mail. You end up in Japan and you find yourself lonely, there's a service that lets you rent a girlfriend for a day. Now you have company and you can go on a fun date. Next, falling asleep during work hours is considered normal in Japan. This act is not considered as laziness, but rather as a sign of dedication. This means dozing off in your office chair won't get you fired. And lastly, in Japan there are banks where only children are allowed. Adults are not permitted to enter. The purpose of these banks is to teach children about finance and banking from a young age. Kids can open their first bank account and even receive an ATM card. In Japan, you can buy special mugs made specifically for hot chocolate. Each mug has a small opening at the bottom. Just light a candle, slide it in, add some chocolate chips, and your hot chocolate will be ready in minutes. Next, barbershops in Japan have mirrors equipped with special displays that let you preview different hairstyles and looks in real time. It makes it much easier to decide on a style before getting a haircut. And lastly, Japan's public restrooms are highly hygienic. The toilet seats are covered with plastic wrap to prevent contamination. And the best part is, it's all automated. Just activate the sensor, and a fresh, clean cover replaces the previous one. And lastly, in this Japanese hair salon, getting your hair washed after a cut is a next-level experience. This futuristic-looking arch sprays gentle streams of water that do all the work. Not only does it rinse out the shampoo, but the flowing water also gives you a relaxing massage you won't forget. It almost feels like a tiny waterfall is trickling on your head.